My very first experiences and encounters or even exposures to agriculture happened right on the family farm. So getting to help my dad vaccinate cattle, getting to bring in hay with my brothers. So all that to say, I was very involved in ag classes myself, and I think I just appreciate that it cultivates a space for all types of learners. And through my preparations at UK, I've got to see that there are real skills and methodologies behind this. We just don't show up to the classroom. There's science and methods happening day in and day out. My name is Leslie Monhollen. I am a senior agricultural education and advocacy student at the University of Kentucky. I have minors in animal sciences and agricultural economics, and right now I'm getting to put my learning into action as I participate in my capstone experience here at West Jessamine High School. As a student teacher, I'm getting to learn and facilitate with students. Specifically, in this season, I'm teaching 3 courses: ag construction, wildlife, and then small power. Within all of those courses, there are multiple hands-on projects where they get to really involve themselves and experience the real-world connections being brought in to agriculture in their communities. So all of these tangible skills, maybe they can take that and be an electrician one day. Maybe they can be in carpentry or construction. But even if not, they're going to be really great homeowners. They're going to be really great at just making and thinking critically to cover all of those skills. I love that in education, we don't have to always give a tangible gift, but we get to give knowledge and our wisdom that we share. And that's what I love about the fruition of this experience, is that through these projects, they get just a little glimmer to where they can allow that curiosity to be like, I wonder what that would look like later on down the road. But I credit all of that to the University of Kentucky, just to be able to be prepared to be in that experience. I know maybe the biggest piece and token that I appreciate from my college experience is just the value of being a lifelong learner. My professors, they're always like, when you decide to stop learning, that's when the rest of the world stops too. And so I think that goes towards the land-grant mission, thinking about research, extension, teaching, engagement, all of those pieces. When we stop learning, it stops learning. And so it's just good preparation to help students.